viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and this video I am going to complete information how can you import the private key of any other wallet. Yes, if you have any private key of your Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, so you can easily import it your Coinbase Wallet extension. Okay, so if you need to get this information, so please must watch this video till end, and also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon buttons. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Okay viewers, so now we are going to start, and you can see here there's two extension installed. The first extension is Coinbase and second extension is MetaMask. So this time I have not any private key, so I will find my private key from MetaMask, and after that we will import in Coinbase Wallet. So simple, first I click on Coinbase Wallet, and now I need to enter my password here, and you can see here there is options available here, unlock wallet. Click unlock, and after that the main assets option will be open in front of you. And if you need to import any wallet with the private key, so what will you do? You just simply use the setting options. There's four options: first asset, second transaction, and third number is explorer, and fourth community, and fifth number is setting. You just simply click on setting option. Then you can see here there is wallet address number one. We have create only one wallet, and the second option is available here, add and manage wallet. You just simply click add and manage wallet, and now open the multiple option, add address, create a new wallet, and third option is available here, import a wallet. When you click on import a wallet, so you can paste here your private key or recovery phrases. Enter your wallet 12 recovery phrases or private key. You can import any Ethereum, Solana or Bitcoin recovery, like I told you about it. Phrases only Ethereum private key are supported this time. Means if you have a private key of your Ethereum wallet, so you can easily use with this wallets. So now we are going to open the MetaMask wallet, and after that we will find the private key of Ethereum. Then I will copy, and after that I will paste here. So after that we will check this wallet will be open or not, or recover or not, or import or not. Okay, so you can see here there is MetaMask icon. I just simply click on it. Now you can see here our wallet is open in front of me. First I need to check the network. You can see first network is Ethereum, second Lina, and now any other wallet available or network available. So I just need to find the Ethereum wallet. This is our Ethereum wallet. I have not any balance on this wallet, but this video is only for educational purpose. I just need to give you information how can you import your wallet with the private key. So how can you find the private key from your MetaMask wallet? Let's suppose Ethereum. So simple click on Ethereum wallet. The Ethereum wallet will be open in front of you, and there is options available here: buy, send, swap, bridge, and profile. But I need to find private key, so there is three dot is available here, your right top corner, three dot. Simple click on it, and there is first option is available here, account details. Account details. Simple click on it, and now your wallet address will be shown in front of you. This is the QR code. If you want to get your wallet address without copy your wallet address, you just simply scan this QR code, then you will get easily this wallet address. Okay, but I need to find the private key, so you can see here this second option is available here, export private key. Export private key, just simple click on it, and then you need to enter your password here. And also warning, never disclose this key to anyone with your private keys cancel any assets held in your account. So if you share your private key with anyone, so maybe your fund will be lost. So please make sure you don't share your private key with anyone. Now I'm going to enter my password here because I need to find my private key. Simple, click on confirm button. And now keep your private key safe. Your private key provide full access to your wallet and fund. Do not share this with anyone. MetaMask support will not request this. Okay, so keep in your mind. And but Fisher maybe. So also you know about the Fisher website. When you are going to open the MetaMask.io or .com, you must check the official website. After that, you open and you can easily use your phrases. Otherwise, your fund will be lost. So that means phishing website. So there is hold and reveal private key. I just simple click on it and just leave, and you can see here our private key shown here. This is my private key of my Ethereum wallet. I just simple copy this private key, and now we are going to open our Coinbase wallet because I need to import this Ethereum wallet with private key in my Coinbase wallet. So you can see here the Coinbase wallet icon shown here. I just simple click on this icon and now going to open, and you can see here there is option is available here, recover your phrases or private key. I am just giving to paste here my wallet address, wallet private key, Ethereum wallet private key. You can also read here only Ethereum private key are supported this time Coinbase. Okay, so just simple import, and now I need to enter the password which is you apply on your Coinbase wallet. Okay, so now click on continue button. If your private key is correct, then your wallet will be import. Otherwise, maybe you can see here wallet imported, balance will be appear momentarily. So after some time your balance will be shown if you have any balance in your Ethereum wallet, and also shown in front of you. So now you can see here our wallet is import with private key. You can see here if I'm going to click on this seek bar, and you can see here the wallet number 1, which is we have already created almost 2 days ago, but today we have import this private key of my Ethereum wallet, and I can use this wallet on Coinbase. Okay, so here's, I hope you properly understand. If you need to import private key of Ethereum wallet in Coinbase wallet, so if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. And if you face any also face deposit, withdrawal, find private key, or find your address, or find your transaction, you can also comments below this video. I will read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. Okay, so please, before going to stop this video, subscribe my channel Crypto Wallets Info, and also like this button, and also share this video your family friend. Okay, we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.